Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel. In the world of fruits, there's one that often stands in the shadows of its more popular counterparts, the quince. While not as commonly found as apples or pears in grocery stores, quinces are a hidden gem with a rich history of medicinal uses. The scientific name for quince is Cydonia oblonga, and its cultivation dates back thousands of years. This versatile fruit, once cherished by ancient civilizations, offers an array of health benefits that deserve attention and appreciation. This video aims to shed light on the medicinal uses of quince, from its rich nutritional profile to its potential therapeutic properties. Let's explore why quince, often overlooked, is a fruit that should not be underestimated. Quince belongs to the Rosaceae family, making it a close relative of apples and pears. Its distinctive appearance includes a bright golden yellow skin, similar to that of a pear, and a unique aroma. Quinces come in various cultivars, each with its distinct flavor and aroma. The most well-known is the aromatnia quince. Nutritional composition. Quinces are packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system and skin health. Fiber is abundant in quinces, aiding digestion, promoting gut health, and preventing constipation. Number 1. Digestive health. Quince has a long history of use as a digestive tonic, helping soothe gastrointestinal discomfort and promoting regular bowel movements. Quince's astringent properties make it valuable in managing diarrhea and loose stools. Number 2. Immune system support. The high vitamin C content in quince boosts the immune system, helping the body ward off infections and illnesses. Number 3. Skin health. Quince's antioxidant properties help combat skin aging by reducing the effects of free radicals on the skin. Quince paste or poultice has been used to help heal wounds and soothe skin irritations. Number 4. Cardiovascular health. Quince contains heart-healthy nutrients like potassium and fiber, which contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Number 5. Antioxidant properties. Quince contains polyphenols and flavonoids that act as antioxidants, protecting cells from oxidative stress and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Quince preserves and jams. One of the most popular uses of quince is in the form of preserves and jams, enjoyed on toast or as a condiment for meats and cheeses. Baking and desserts. Quinces are used in various desserts, including pies, tarts, and cobblers, adding a unique flavor and fragrance to sweet treats. Beverages. Quince is used in the production of liqueurs and spirits, such as the Greek drink, Sapporo. While quince is generally safe for consumption, some individuals may be allergic to it, leading to symptoms like itching or swelling. As with any food or herbal remedy, it is important to consume quince in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. In conclusion, quince is a fruit that has been overshadowed by more commonly consumed fruits, but it is a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be explored. Its impressive nutritional profile, coupled with its historical uses in traditional medicine, makes it a valuable addition to your diet. From promoting digestive well-being to supporting heart health and enhancing skin radiance, quince offers a range of medicinal properties that can positively impact your overall health. The inclusion of quince in your diet not only adds a unique flavor but also provides a host of healthful benefits. So, let quince take its well-deserved place at your table, and experience the remarkable healing potential of this fruit that has been cherished through the ages. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video.